Hello guys and welcome. My name is Sir. In this week's video, we are going to be talking about why did Tesla move their gigafactory from California to Texas, Austin, and let's find out what's the reason. Let's start with the video. Before that, let me tell who is the sponsor of this week's video. So this week's video has been sponsored by you. Yes, you guys. How are you guys sponsoring? That the way is that you guys are considering subscribing to my channel. That's what I want, guys. Just please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a like and share this video and tell your friends, because I hope you're an automobile engineer. Automobile engineer shares their video. If you're an automobile engineer, please consider subscribing, like this video, share this video, and let's move on. So why did why did the CEO of Tesla, who is Elon Musk, why did he move his factory from California to Austin, Texas? And if you can see this video of what's inside, and you can see that he has got a drone shot of the overall view from the topmost area. You can clearly see that workers have been working for past 24 hours and they're working day and night shift. There is no break at all, because yeah, seriously, if you see Cybertrucks, they have been ordered so many, and we don't know how much did they order. Like people whomever ordered, we don't know how much did they order. And then there's the Tesla Roadster. How much do they want? So totally there are 6 gigafactories of Tesla. Okay, gigafactory is a big thing. That's why they said it as gigafactory. Okay, during pandemic you are not allowed to go these places, that places, and you're not allowed to start your own company. Like what I mean is that you should not start production at all. So now if you have seen the coronavirus, the people who have got affected and the way it spreads is reduced significantly. So they have allowed manufacturers to start the production, and you know, Tesla did obey and they did all the things. Here comes the problem. Okay, here comes the situation. What happened is that Tesla, they followed all the rules. They followed everything which was given in the rule book by the government officials, what has to be followed and what has to be taken, like measurement, like providing sanitizers here and there, giving distance, and many more things. Yeah, they did all the stuff. Okay, now let's talk politics. I'm not a politician guy, and this type of thing in this video we're not going to be talking fully politics, because I'm not a politician. I don't like politics at all, because I'm a car guy. And yeah, so if we see what's the problem is that the problem with the government officials and Tesla is that they think Tesla isn't occupying, since what they think is that since they open now and there's so much orders on the Cybertruck, they think they might start it, but no, we are just moving on Tesla Model X, S, and Model 3, and yeah, that's it. So that's all we are doing right now. And the Y, yeah, of course I forgot that one. Yeah, that's all. These are the only 4 models which is currently in production, and then comes the Cybertruck and Roadster. What I think myself, that most of the people who given the speech report about this one, saying that the government officials thought that the Tesla would task their Cybertruck and they would not follow the rules and regulation, nothing. But you know, 6 factories in different places, Tesla followed all those things and got permission. Why California, they thought the different thing and they didn't give permission. And since because of that, there have been constant fight between Elon and the government, and Elon proved that he was right. And governments, they said, what do you know, politics, they will cheat, but it doesn't matter, all of them do that. So that's what happened to Elon and the government officials. But government, they didn't understand, they have to send a person to check it, but they didn't do that. But it's an official thing, but I don't know why they still doing it. Like when he proves he has done, why didn't they send? Is the country, is California against Tesla? Do they want Tesla to be there, or they are trying to send him off or cut Tesla from production there? What's the reason? They should have sent a person to check whether they are following. There was nothing. He proved so many things. Why? So that's it. That's all happened between Elon and the government officials and Elon. So then Elon got angry, and what will happen? Yeah, he quit the factory, everything in there, and he said it will be for sale. I don't know when, but yeah, it will be for sale quite soon, because a lot of things has to be moved, because a lot of material stuffs and books and you know the material stuffs. So they have to move it on. So they're waiting. So yeah, this is the brand new factory. Okay, the Tesla Gigafactory, which is in Texas, Austin. So it's one of the great factories, and it's one of the biggest, because you know the Cybertruck and the Tesla Roadster, you know how many people are crazy about that. People are so crazy, and they wanted to see that. Even people try replicating it, because they're so maniacs. What I mean, the maniac is that the love for cars. What I'm coming to say in that also, if you didn't understand, is that they can't wait. Okay, waiting is not for car guys. We go for speed, we go for machines, that's it. Okay, we are car guys, that's it, that's all, that's it. Very easy, and nothing else to be explained on. So this is what happened between Elon and California government officials, and now move to Tesla. And the second point, it's a good thing for Tesla to move to Texas, Austin. And the second reason because of that, why I'm saying, is that there are many popular people living there, and there are many people who are Tesla fans. If you can see in this video in the watch inside, take a look at this shot. Okay, if you can see many people, okay, many people show their love to Tesla, and they're bringing their Teslas for a convoy, like speech, and most of the car community. And it's a great thing to see when car community comes together, speaks, that love, the feeling when talking to another car guy is one of the most immense pleasures which I ever got in my life. Okay, that's my immense pleasures. I don't know for yours, but yeah, let's see. So that's it for that one. And then if you can see another thing which is a good one, is that Tesla, when they move that side, and they don't need to have paid that much, because you know why? In those area, those regions, the topmost payment is around $6,000 to $8,000. I don't know the salary, but they say less, so they can hire more people for less amount. But the same people who are coming there, I don't know what will happen. And second thing is that since the factory is moving on, especially for that, nobody said this, okay, many contractor people, or like what I'm saying, the builders, they have built the houses. Okay, some houses nobody asked to build them, they bought the land, they built the houses, and they are currently building more. Why? Because they knew Tesla would come here. I'm not saying that the builders would be introduced to the Californian and they are doing this. No, it's a different circle. Okay, so they understood Tesla's thing, and most of the workers would come here because there is no more, and the next factory is like different areas, and so yeah, they will move basically to this area. So what will they do? They build houses, they need houses, right? They have to be in downtown. So Tesla factory will be in the main area, and then from downtown to people coming there, it will take only 15-30 minutes if the pandemic is entered. But if there is pandemic right now, it takes only 10 minutes to reach. So most of them will be transported right away. I mean that the workers would come here, so they're building houses for them in a low amount of price, and it's a great thing. They can get houses, and builders are facing a little bit problems right now. And one more thing is that the builders are getting more money. Why? They're building this, people are buying that. That's it. So yeah, that's the main important thing, and it's good for the Tesla also. Really, how massive this land. If you don't believe me, check out this shot. Okay, it's so big, and like they're putting boreholes, like so that they can structurally support it, and many more things. Yeah, so Tesla, I think you're moving in the right forward. And one thing I would like to say, and guys, please consider subscribing to my channel, like this video. I know you're automobile engineers, please consider subscribing. So one thing I want to say in particular is that, so why I don't like Tesla is that, it's great, Tesla autopilot, amazing, but I'll ask you one thing, people. You can use Tesla autopilot, I'm not saying you should not use it. I'll ask you one thing, can't you even drive a car pressing the accelerator, brake and manual? Nothing. Why can't you even shift? Okay, because of people who are so lazy. Automatic is a great invention. Hey, I'm not saying nothing bad about that, but I'll say, what, can you just use the manual? Why can't you do that at all? Just shifting, you can't even do that. You're such a lazy people to me. Save the manuals, guys. They are going to be extended, and I'm going to die also for manuals. So please consider saving manuals, and please buy manuals. Okay, why are you buying automatic? Let me ask. If you want, you can buy, but I'll ask you what, if you buy a manual, it's better than an automatic. And the reason, because of that, it keeps you attentive. And in an automatic, you're not doing anything at all, just pressing the accelerator, and if it's cruise control, that's it. You might fall asleep and you won't get that much attention. But whereas manual, you have to shift gears and those things. I know it's a bit stressful, but it's a great thing, Please guys, that's what I'm asking, but please don't be lazy. I don't know what will happen in the future. Fully autopilot, nothing, you just sit in it. I don't want those type of cars. I want a car which I can drive manually. I want a power, I know, BS6, I know, those type of thing. What we can do is that we should save the engines. I want an engine powered car, a combustion engine, ICE, okay, I want that. But if the economy turns like this and they want a fuel efficient and the better engine for the nature, let them develop. But I don't want fully electric. If they want, they can go hybrid or anything. Even if they want, let them sell electric. But please don't turn the whole world into electric. It's a great thing. I'm not telling anything. Please don't get angry on me. I don't like Teslas, and it's a great thing. Elon, what did he do? See, Tesla autopilot. In which century are we, and where did he create? It's like 5 years or 10 years above us. So yeah, I don't like that. But yeah, guys, please don't be so much lazy in cars also. You can buy them. I'm repeating once again. But think about one thing also. Just people are there. I know, I understand you're Tesla hardcore fans. I am basically a combustion processed engine guy, but some of you might be electric, but I understand. See, let's have no fight and let's be equal. We are all car guys, okay? Just a difference in power. maybe I'm a combustion power and you're electric power. That's it. We have to be equal. We don't have separation. Okay. So yeah, I hope you understand about that one. And I do like, but please don't be lazy. Okay, you can use autopilot whenever you want, but just even using the autopilot in electric, just drive by yourself in the electric. That's what I'm just asking. Please don't be so much lazy. I don't want people turning into Wall-E. Like you can see the movie in the last part, people they can't even walk. Yeah, I don't want those to happen. And that's it for this week's video, guys, and I'll see you guys next time around. Please consider subscribing to my channel, like this video, and I'll guys see you next time around. Peace.